So if there's not that delta in regulation, not that delta in what I could say efficacy, the spot should be approved.
Is your crypto at risk? Polygon makes a comeback and a controversy arises from a new crypto project. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can now earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. We're also launching our brand new trading competition with up to $51,000 in the prize pool. The idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you earn. To find out more, just click the link in the description below. Bitcoin staged a fresh breakout attempt yesterday as the battle for yearly highs stayed hot. Bitcoin managed to approach resistance at $31,000 before subsequently falling back over $800. Trader Crypto Dan compared recent behavior with the Bart Simpson style chart features from before, where Bitcoin would spike to a plateau and hold there, only to retrace the full run later. Currently, however, Bart has been replaced with a structure reminiscent of the Burj Khalifa. In the latest edition of its weekly newsletter, The Week on Chain, analytics from Glassnode suggest that this was characteristic of Bitcoin price cycles. Bitcoin data often displays strangely repetitive patterns cycle after cycle. In the 2021 to 22 cycle, the 30K price level formed somewhat of a midpoint and was tested several times from both below and above. A very similar level was observed in 2013 to 2016 at around the $425 level, and again in 2018 to 2019 at approximately 6.5K. A snapshot from Bloomberg Intelligence shows the next key dates for the SEC's deadlines for a spot Bitcoin ETF decision. The first one coming up being ARK Invest on August 13th, but with a final deadline decision by December 27th of this year. BlackRock's is on September 2nd, but could go as long as until March 15th next year, which would be just about a month before the next Bitcoin halving. Former SEC Chair Jay Clayton suggested during a CNBC interview on July 10th that regulators could soon feel compelled to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF.
Can they say no to a spot ETF? For how much longer?
Well, it goes to that issue. I think that when the SEC approved the futures-based ETF, they said, let's look at the futures market. We see the surveillance. We see the protections in that market for the end investor that are sufficient. We don't see them in the spot market, so we're going to make that distinction. I think what the institutions are arguing is that those distinctions have gone away, and now the spot product is actually less drag, more efficient for the investor. So if there's not that delta in regulation, not that delta in what I could say efficacy, the spot should be approved. That's the argument that's going on right now. Look, the regulatory process, whether it doesn't matter.
It's been a while already.
It's been a while already. What I would say is this: if they're right, that you can demonstrate that the spot market has similar efficacy to the futures market, it would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF.
It can be hard to know where to put your money with all the altcoins available. We just posted a video sharing where we plan to put $1,000 across different altcoins right now. You can find that video linked down below. Kava is a secure, lightning-fast Layer 1 blockchain that combines the developer power of Ethereum with the speed and interoperability of Cosmos in a single scalable network. Tether's USDT, the world's most liquid, secure, and transparent stablecoin, has successfully launched on Cosmos via our partners at Kava, marking a significant milestone in the expansion of the Cosmos DeFi ecosystem. The integration of Tether's USDT on Kava makes deep stablecoin liquidity across Cosmos's IBC and Ethereum's EVM ecosystem easily accessible. With native USDT issued on Kava, the Cosmos's ecosystem's limited growth, fragmented liquidity, and exaggerated volatility gets addressed by the addition of natively issued USDT for users and developers. Native USDT brings the Cosmos dApp and app chains, as well as EVM dApp users, a secure and universally adopted stablecoin. Tether's choice makes Kava a key support and strong ally for Cosmos ecosystem projects building out the Internet of blockchains. Unlike external third-party bridge solutions that create fragmented pools of wrapped assets, with the launch of Kava 14, USDT natively issued on Kava can be moved between IBC and EVM blockchains via an internal bridge with tight access controls and restrictions that greatly reduce attack vectors. As a result, the integration could potentially catalyze a significant expansion of the DeFi economy on Cosmos, providing a compelling solution to the liquidity problem that's been posing a challenge since the collapse of Terra's UST in 2022. Deploying Tether, a stablecoin with a strong market reputation and about 65% market dominance, will also offer increased security and reliability to users and developers alike. We are doing a super easy official Kava giveaway for 250 USDT on our Twitter. To enter, check out the link down below. Polygon's MATIC is up 8.5% on the day amid a positive on-chain growth, reduce selling pressure, and improve regulatory outlook. MATIC plummeted at the start of June after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission regarded it as a security in the case filing against Coinbase and Binance. The token's price plummeted 35.5% from 90 cents on June 3rd to lows of 59 cents within 2 weeks following the SEC's case. Nevertheless, the blockchain's on-chain data shows that selling has slowed alongside an uptick in activity. The token faced downward selling pressure of 90 million MATIC tokens worth $66.6 million held by bankrupt lending firm Celsius. On July 5th, the firm received the court's approval to sell its tokens for more liquid Bitcoin and ETH as the bankruptcy proceedings continued. Nansen data shows that the company has unloaded over 99% of its MATIC holdings, easing the selling pressure of MATIC. The market sentiment has also improved after the announcement of the Polygon 2.0 at the end of June. It involves a series of upgrades to transform Polygon into a ZK-powered Layer 2 network, unified via a novel cross-chain coordination protocol. According to the Polygon 2.0 roadmap, the team is expecting to announce the new tokenomics model this week. Data from Dune Analytics shows that crypto enthusiasts minted 350,000 Bitcoin Ordinals inscriptions on July 8th, the highest daily record since May 14th. Despite the substantial increase in minting activity, the payment fee for those inscriptions remained remarkably low at 2.5 Bitcoin. The surge in minting numbers could be attributed to the recent launch of the recursive inscriptions and the implementation of BRC-69. These advancements in the Bitcoin network have contributed to optimize costs, encouraging higher inscriptions. Additionally, on the same day, the number of Ordinals minted through applications reached an unprecedented 18,000, further underscoring a newfound momentum in the crypto space. Market watchers suggest this milestone not only showcases the growing popularity of Bitcoin, but also highlights the increasing adoption of user-friendly platforms that simplify the inscription process for enthusiasts and investors alike. These spike in minting numbers come in the wake of Bitcoin Ordinals trading volumes surpassing 210 million, as reported in the latest quarterly report from DApp Radar. The report further highlighted that over 550,000 Ordinals trades occurred in the second quarter of 2023, with approximately 150,000 unique traders contributing to the significant trading volume witnessed midway through the year. The growing popularity of Bitcoin Ordinals has had a notable impact on the non-fungible token landscape. According to reports, by the end of May 2023, Bitcoin had exceeded Solana to overtake Ethereum as the second most used NFT blockchain regarding trading volumes. The multi-million-dollar exploit of cross-chain bridge protocol Multichain could have been an internal rug pull, according to blockchain security and analytics firm Chainalysis. The firm wrote in a July 10th blog post that on July 6th, cross-chain bridge protocol Multichain experienced unusually large, unauthorized withdrawals in what appears to be a hack or rug pull by insiders. The exploit has so far resulted in the loss of more than $125 million. However, Chainalysis believes that the exploit may have resulted from compromised admin keys, which some suggest means it could have been an inside job. Multi-chain smart contracts use a multi-party computation system, which is similar to a multi-sig wallet. While it is possible those keys were taken by an external hacker, many security experts and other analysts think this exploit could be an inside job or a rug pull, due in part to recent issues suffered by Multichain. Chainalysis said the most obvious example of these internal issues was the disappearance of Multichain's CEO in late May. The platform also suffered delayed transactions and other technical problems, resulting in Binance ending support for several of its bridge tokens on July 7th. If you want to use a fast, cheap, and non-custodial bridge, I suggest using Wanchain, who we've partnered with in previous videos. Wanchain is the OG of cross-chain bridging, and it's never been hacked in 7 years. They also have the lowest fees in the industry, and you can easily transfer native-to-native Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, and USDC with Xflows. I'll leave a link for them down below as well. On July 10th, DeFi researcher Ignas tweeted about an airdrop for Arkham Analytics tool users. The DeFi expert also shared a referral link to the airdrop, which would also allow people to skip the waiting list. Arkham specializes in blockchain intelligence and offers insights into the actual entities and individuals responsible for activities in the crypto market. Recently, the firm announced the first Intel to earn on-chain marketplace. Ignas reported that the Arkham airdrop is part of the Binance marketing strategy since the exchange declared the Arkham token sale. The DeFi analyst said that Arkham is currently focusing on 2 trends, including the high demand for on-chain analysis by multiple parties, alongside the growing number of talented researchers in need of a platform to monetize their skills. Furthermore, Ignas explains the bounty mechanism implemented on Arkham's platform, and they clarify saying, post a bounty, lock funds, and bounty hunters will provide intel in return for the payment. Bounties can range from locating specific wallets to identifying impersonators and more. At the same time, Arkham has been the subject of a lot of controversy in the past day, as users on Twitter say this goes against the whole ethos of crypto and privacy. Also on Twitter yesterday, crypto influencers began sharing referral links for Arkham, and as it turns out, their email addresses were part of the referral link, which is so fitting. Miguel Morel, the CEO of Arkham, wrote on Twitter yesterday saying, on referral links, because of our upcoming launch, we've had millions of people engage with our platform and hundreds of thousands sign up. Understandably, there's been a lot of attention on our project, the majority of it positive, along with some legitimate criticisms of how we've implemented certain features. It's been publicized that our referral links contain a base 64 encoded version of the referral's email. This system was created at the start of our beta, and its purpose was to allow us to track users' referrals by email in order to reward those users. It was a way to attribute signups made with a referral link. It was not a way to collect users' emails. Users already use their emails when they sign up for a platform and get a referral link. We do not use them for anything other than communicating with users and attributing referrals. We should have changed the system after our user base increased exponentially. Going forward, all referral links will contain an encrypted version of the referrer's email so that it cannot be reverse engineered. This change is already live. Another Twitter user shared that Arkham is backed by the founders of Palantir and OpenAI. Palantir works with the CIA and the FBI, literally feds. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.